So we have started our journey for Valley of Flowers, and we are the entrance of it. From here it is around 3 kilometers, and this is the road that will lead you to it. And we have army with us as well. They have their own trek. So not early morning, it's 9. Yes, it's 9 and we just started. And here is Anunay. Here's my ukulele toy. Hey Anunay, what do you want to say about this place?
This place is an absolute beauty.
And keep it this way forever. There's so many like this small streams, झरने, इतने सारे झरने इधर. अभी इतना बड़ा झरना उधर देखा था, अभी एक उसी का आई गेस डाइवर्जन है, जो भी है. But it looks so fun. So we're shot for some photos. The entire path is very well built. मतलब अच्छा सा रास्ता है, पूरा डिफाइंड रास्ता है. It's not like कि आपको अजीब जगह से you have to take shortcuts. It's a good well defined area. That's very good. That's well maintained as well. You have railings on the left side in case something happens, just to protect you. All in all, it's a great trek, I must say. That's why people are so fascinated about Valley of Flowers. But still there is a long way to go for us. But I'm enjoying every bit of it. You can hear the insects. You can hear the river stream as well. As we go close, you can hear it's getting louder and louder. I just try to capture it. Hope this justifies how beautiful it is looking right now. So many, I can't call them boulders, but there are massive rocks out here. Oh man, oh so windy. I'm just loving out this trek, man. Really, it's one of those treks you must try. Though reaching to the place is very difficult, and the trek is from moderate to difficult. Not that you can't do. And slowly, when the views change like this in the background, there isn't anything stopping you. So we're again back to the dense forest. Some of the people were saying it'll take 2.5 hours more just to cover 2.5 kilometers. And it is time. At 2 you have to return back. And that is the path. Still some good 1.5 hour to go. I don't know how much kilometer is left, but there is a lush green valley out there covered with fog. We have just started the descent now, and I hope we reach quick now. It's almost 11:15, and it's the rule here that you have to head back, or you have to trek back to the Gareri Gaon at 2. You have to start because it will take around 2.5-3 hours for you to reach back. Valleys, the temperature changes very quickly. At the time it looks scary, and at time it looks beautiful as well. These are so close. They just cover up this entire mountain in 10-15 minutes. They're running so fast. So this is it. We've reached Valley of Flowers. So now it's an endless walk. You can go to the limit. You can go for 4 kilometers. You can go at 5 kilometers. But then you have to leave by 2. It's been a great experience to just see this clouds just going past you, just around few meters away. And I believe it started raining as well. We are at this glacier point, and I could feel it's getting cold as well. I have to take out my raincoat. It's necessary to take raincoats and all because temperature and weather can change at any time. 11.5-12 hours of trek, and it has been great. The mountains, you can see now the cloud cover is over, and you can see that green patch. I don't know from where you can reach there, but there are few. I just saw 4 to 5 great waterfalls out there, and it is worth coming so far, traveling from bus for around 12 hours through Tiri. Because of the landslide you can't go to the main road, but I am extremely happy. My 13 hours of trek is all worth. 13 hours of trek is all worth it. Every second, every minute, every time that I was not able to trek more, all of it is worth it. So we'll go further ahead. Let's see what is for us there. Slight change. It is raining heavily now. I will take out my raincoat. And plus, this is the open area, and that's when you reach Valley of Flowers. When you reach this open, completely open area, that's the if you can see, there is a stone out there. That's the place. अब तो रेनकोट भी पहन लिया, बहुत बारिश होने लग गई इधर, एंड ये मौसम ऑलमोस्ट होता है इधर कि बारिश हो जाए व्हेन यू हैव टू क्रॉस अ स्मॉल ब्रिज, एंड उसके बाद जितना आपको एक्सप्लोर करना है यू कैन डू. क्रॉस दिस ब्रिज एंड देन यू आर एट वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स. Still raining here. We have done the Valley of Flowers, our trek. Finally, it was way back then when I saw somebody's picture on Instagram that I wanted to go and travel this place. And finally, we are here. this view, I'll just start my lunch. There's so many flowers from left to right. The only flowers, and they're blossoming at such beautiful temperature, optimum for them.